Quiet on set! What's up, everybody? Drink water back with a little cooking video. Excuse me. Some coffee so you don't go crazy. Yes, cooking video on how to make an authentic Cajun style roux. It's really easy, really simple, really good. I got my partner Mason in the back. He'll be giving me a hand today. He's from the old Valley Lafourche too. So if you ever wanted to know how to cook an authentic Cajun roux, you have found the right video and the right channel. Stay tuned. Ingredients for this Cajun roux will be flour. We like to use all-purpose flour. Any type of oil. You can use vegetable oil, canola, extra virgin oil, whatever you like. Coffee is a must. Utensils and a black iron pot. You don't have to use a black iron pot, but they are just the best cooking vessels. That's the ingredients. Almost equal parts, a little bit more flour than oil, and I will show you that when we get back. All right, YouTube peeps, this is a masonry jar filled up to about right there. About a cup and a half worth of flour, maybe two. It doesn't really matter because I'm going to add oil and flour until my consistency gets to be what I like. All right, so but if you wanted a starting point, you would use maybe 80% flour and 20% oil. No, that's right. Half and half. Sorry, half and half. But just use a little bit less oil than flour. Now, obviously, this is way too lumpy. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit more oil. Keep on stirring. Keep on swimming. Right? Keep on swimming. This is still gonna be way too. Oh, I don't know. You saw how? Oh, you saw I almost added some oil, but it's starting to look good. Okay. Ah, yeah, there we go. All right. This is looking really, really good. I'm gonna keep on mixing it in. This is gonna be good. You'll know if it's too runny because you won't even be able to do this. I mean, it's just gonna fill in really, real quickly. All right. This is the consistency that I like. Sorry, I messed up the ratios earlier, but it's basically half oil, half flour, but you just want to use just a little bit less oil than flour, because if you use too much, it'll still work. It'll just be kind of runny, which is not too big of a deal. And but if you can get consistency like this to where you see how it fills in the gaps, but when you do like this, it kind of slowly fills in. That's the consistency you want. So if you do like this and it runs in real fast, add a little bit more flour. If you do like this and it never fills in, add a little bit more oil and you'll be good to go. The process of cooking a authentic Cajun style roux. Now, my grandmother, rest her soul, she would literally take 8 hours to cook a roux. She would keep the fire on 0 or low, basically, and she would stir that thing for 8 hours. Okay, now I know you don't want to do that, so basically the time it takes depends on how hot you put it. You can put it on high and make a roux in about 10 minutes, but you better be stirring in that thing the whole time, and the risk of burning is high. If you put it on a low fire for 8 hours, your risk of burn is really low. So what I like to do, and I'm just starting this roux, but and my good man here, Mason, stirring. I put it on this electric stove probably around 2 or 3, and I stir about every 40 seconds. I let it sit and then stir. 40 seconds, sit and then stir, and that takes around 3 hours. But I like cooking low and slow. Your chances of burning is real low, and man, it works out good. So this is just put in. All right, YouTube, it's been around 30 minutes. I have my heat at about 2.5 to 3 on this old Frigidaire electric range stove. And I wanted to show you this because I don't want you to freak out. Okay, if you look at the before pictures, it was really, not really runny, but you see how it's starting to look like mashed potatoes? That's fine, it's okay. Just keep on swimming, all right? Just keep on stirring, no big deal, okay? I just want to show you that if you start seeing this, don't add any more oil. You're fine. It's as long as you stir and don't let it burn, you'll be fine, all right? So if you see cream potatoes, no big deal. Like I said earlier, please do not worry that after around 30 minutes of cooking, if your roux looks like mashed potatoes, because look how pretty this laid down. It lays down pretty, I promise you. Just keep on swimming, keep on stirring, it will lay back down for you. So don't worry about the cream potatoes, just keep on stirring. This is 1 hour into our cook, and as you can see, we're starting to get a little bit of color, and she laid back down beautifully. All right, this has been 1 hour. I'm still at about 3.5, 4. It depends on your range and you know how hot it gets. But this is 1 hour, and I still have about an hour left to go. All right, YouTube, it's been 2 hours now on this low heat, stirring every 20 to 30 seconds. This is the color you're looking for. This is the color of a used penny, and this is a authentic Cajun style roux. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We sure do appreciate it. Have a great and safe day. Peace!